Find the distance between the origin and the points root 3 comma 1. These are the three questions. So here the first one, see, we need to find the distance between origin and root 3 comma 1. See, the distance between, if one point is origin and the other point is x comma y, origin I'll consider as O and this I'll consider as A. So here the formula, the distance formula is, if one point is origin, the distance formula is x square plus y square. Or if you want, you can use under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. But if one point is origin, you can go for it. So here we'll use the formula under root x square plus y square. So because one point is here, its origin, so one point is given, one point is origin, so the distance formula is under root x square plus y square. So here OA distance is under root, this is x, this is y, so x square root 3 y square. Root 3 whole square is 3, 1 square is 1, so it is root 4. Root 4 is 2 units. Now second question, one point is origin, the other point is root 2 plus 2, 2 minus root 2. Now if I'll simplify this, now see, again here this is x, this is y. Distance between origin and one point is under root x square root 2 plus 2 whole square, 2 minus root 2 whole square. So clearly it is in the form of a plus b whole square, a square plus b square, 2a into b. Here a minus b whole square, so a square plus b square, 2 into root 2 minus 2ab. See, plus 2ab minus 2ab will get cancelled. So we'll be left with root 2 whole square is 2, 2 square is 4, 2 square is 4, root 2 whole square is 2. So total is 12. See, always we need to write in simplest form. So here the simplest form will be like 2 into 3. So 2 will come out, so like 2 root 3. 2 root 3 units. 2 root 3 units. So in this way we need to find. Now next question, third one, I'll do it here. One point is origin, O, A is 3 root 5 comma minus 2. If one point is origin and the other point is given, so this is xy, so the distance between origin and a point is under root x square plus y square. So here x value is clearly 3 root 5 whole square, y is minus 2 whole square. See, 3 root 5 whole square, 3 square is 9, root 5 whole square is 5, minus 2 whole square is 4. 9 times 5, 45 plus 4. So root 49. Root 49 is nothing but 7 units. So the distance is 7 units. So in this way we need to simplify this. So if one point is origin, other point suppose is given xy, so the distance is just under root x square plus y square.
you.